transmission was supposed to be here 6 hours ago, but it's not.
I just got off the phone with our shipper carrier. Our transmission guy said that he got the trans sent out overnight to us to try to be here tomorrow. It's actually supposed to be here today. And somewhere along the line, somebody fudged up some paperwork and they had it sent economy class. And so it looks like as of right now, our transmission won't be here until Monday, our last day of the build. We're in a deep creek right here.
I don't know. I'm at a loss for words right now. It's been fun. I mean, it's been real fun. $10,000, huh? 10 days. Sounds easy enough.